George Washington Carver, a name that resonates with innovation and perseverance, is an extraordinary figure in American history. Born into slavery in the early 1860s, Carver rose to become one of the most revered scientists and inventors of his time. Throughout his life, he championed agricultural science and transformed the agrarian landscape of the American South. Join us as we delve into the fascinating story of this remarkable African-American chemist whose impact continues to resonate today. Carver was born in Diamond Grove, Missouri, during an era of profound racial inequality. He was orphaned as an infant when his mother was kidnapped, leaving him in the care of the couple who had enslaved his family, Moses and Susan Carver. Despite the adversities he faced, Carver's early life was marked by an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. This curiosity would eventually lay the foundation for his groundbreaking contributions to agriculture. Education was Carver's pathway to opportunity, although it was fraught with challenges. As an African American in a largely segregated society, his quest for higher learning was met with numerous obstacles. Nonetheless, he persevered, eventually earning a degree in agricultural science from Iowa State Agricultural College, now known as Iowa State University. Carver became the first Black student and later the first Black faculty member at the institution, underscoring his exceptional intellect and determination. In 1896, Carver's career took a pivotal turn when he accepted an invitation from Booker T. Washington to join the Tuskegee Institute in Alabama. As head of the agricultural department, Carver devoted his efforts to improving the plight of African-American farmers who were struggling with depleted soils and economic instability. His mission was clear: to provide practical solutions for sustainable farming that could uplift entire communities. One of Carver's most enduring legacies was his promotion of crop rotation and soil enrichment techniques, specifically his advocacy for the planting of legumes such as peanuts and sweet potatoes. These crops not only restored nitrogen to the soil, but also provided a lucrative alternative to cotton, which had been the predominant and exhausting staple. Through his meticulous research, Carver developed over 300 derivatives from peanuts alone, ranging from dyes and plastics to gasoline and even cosmetics. His ingenuity was boundless, yet he remained modest about his accomplishments, always attributing his creativity to divine inspiration. Carver's work extended beyond the laboratory. He was a passionate educator, an advocate for environmental stewardship, emphasizing the need for conservation and sustainable practices long before these concepts gained mainstream recognition. His mobile classroom, known as the Jesup Wagon, was an innovative extension service that brought agricultural education directly to rural farmers, empowering them with knowledge and practical tools to improve their livelihoods. Despite his renown, Carver faced criticism and prejudice throughout his life. However, he consistently remained focused on his scientific pursuits and societal contributions. His philosophy combined scientific inquiry with a deep sense of spirituality and social responsibility, a characteristic that endeared him to both his peers and the wider public. Carver's influence reached its zenith during World War I, when he leveraged his expertise to support the military's efforts. He devised alternative resources for essential products that were in short supply, further cementing his reputation as a versatile and invaluable scientist. As we reflect on Carver's life and legacy, we are reminded of the profound impact one individual can have on society. He transformed agricultural practices, uplifted impoverished communities, and inspired generations of scientists and inventors. His dedication to education, innovation, and environmental sustainability continues to serve as a beacon of progress and hope. George Washington Carver passed away in 1943, leaving behind a legacy that transcended racial and social barriers. His life's work had not only improved the agricultural industry, but had also enriched the lives of countless individuals who benefited from his inventions and teachings. Today, we celebrate Carver not only as an extraordinary scientist, but as a trailblazer whose vision for a better world remains as relevant as ever. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of George Washington Carver's remarkable journey. We hope his story continues to inspire you to pursue knowledge, embrace innovation, and contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future.